Hi friends, myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome again in the channel SJP Education Hub, YouTube educational channel. Today's topic is Math Standard 7th, Chapter number 3, SCF and LCM, Practice set number 13. Maharashtra Board Full Lecture, Question and Answer 2021. Before going to the lecture, please, if you are not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. And if you like the video, please like and share in your friends and relatives, so they get the benefit from this video. Okay, so let's go for the lecture of practice set 13. There is this lecture is belong to LCM, least common multiple. As you studied in last standard, LCM is the least common multiple of given numbers. Okay, so here is an example for that. 195, 312 and 546. Let's find out the LCM of this number with the horizontal method, which we have studied in last standard. 195, find out the prime factors of all three numbers. So 195 3 into 5 3 into 6 into 5, 3 into 6 into 5, 3 into 65, 3 into 65. Then factorize this. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 13. There are 3 5 13 is the factor of 195 factor. Okay, then 312 is even number, so start from 2. 2 into 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 10, 3 6 is. This is also even number, so 2 7 7, then 8. This is also even number, so factorize this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 9. Okay, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, 3 into 13, sorry. So this is the factor, these are the factors of 1 312. Okay, then another 5 5 4 6. Let's factorize this. 5 4 6 with 2 into, this is even number, so 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 2 to the 4, 2 7 and 2 3 the. Okay, then factorize this. 2 into 3 into 9 into 1. Then factorize this number also, equal to 2 into 3 into 7, 7 3 the, 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7 and 7 3 the 21, 13. So there have these factors belong to 546. Okay, these factors. Okay, not this. There are how many numbers come in this all three factors, prime numbers from multiples, prime numbers in multiples. Okay, which are they? First is 2, 3, 2, 3, 5 one time, 2, 3, 5. Okay, then 2, 3, 5, 7 and 30. Okay, how many times to come? Maximum times, I think, in 312. 3 times comes 3 times. Okay, in 312. Okay, 3 maximum, 3 come one time. Okay, 3 come one time in all. Okay, then 5 is come in one time in 195. Okay, then 7 is come 7 one time in 546. 546 in 546 in all. Okay, in all in 194, 5 in 546, and then 13 is come one time also. No, 2 times, sorry, one time in all. One time in all. Okay, so we have 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 one times, 5 one times, 7 one times, and 13 one times. The multiple of these numbers is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 8 into 3, 24 24, into 5, 24 into 5 5, 120 into 91, 120 into 91, 120, 0 0, 9 to the 18, 9 on the 9 on 10, 2 9, 10,920 equal to 10,920 is the LCM. So LCM of this number is 10,920. Okay, 10,920. Let's do another example. Let's solve 60 and 40. 60 and 40. Let's do with the horizontal method which have learned in last standard. 60, find out the prime factor of 60 and 40. 2 into 30, factorize the 30. 2 into 50, factorize the 50. 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, these are the factors of 60. These are the factors of 60. Okay, then 48's factor. 48 is a even number, so start from 2 into 24. Factorize 24. Factorize 24. 2 into 2 into 12. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 6. Then also 2 into 2 into again 2 into 3. These are the factors of 48 number. Given number is 48. Factors are 4 times 2 and 1 time 3. Okay, now which number is come in multiples? Prime numbers in multiple. Prime numbers in multiples, 2 3 and 5. 2 is occurs maximum how many time? 4 time. Okay, 4 times. Okay, 4 times. And 3 and 5 occurs maximum 1 time. Okay, 1 time. Then LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times 2 into 3 into 5. So multiplication of this is 240. So LCM of 60 and 40 is 240. Okay, got it? This is the answer. Now do this solve this example with the vertical method. We are going to solve it with a vertical method. 60 and 40. Now vertical method 60, 48. Sorry, 48. Both are even numbers, so divided by 2. 30 and 24. These are also even number, 50 and 12. Both are can be divided by 3. So 3 5s are 3 4s are. Now 5 cannot be divided because 5 is prime number. So 5 ones are 5. Now 4 is there, 2 4s are 2, 2 ones are 2. So we get the 4 times 2, 1 2 3 4, and 3 one time and 5 one time. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, the answer is LCM is 240. Okay, LCM of 60 and 48 is 240. Which is the simplest method? I think vertical method is the simplest than horizontal. Okay, will you get this? So go to the next. Now third number example we are now going to take an is 16, 28 and 40. Okay, with vertical method, because I think that is simplest method. 16, 28 and 40. Okay, three numbers are even numbers, so divided by 2, 8, 14 and 20. These are also even number. 2 4s are 2 7s are 2 10s are. 7 is a prime number, so 7 ones are 7. Then 2 2s are 1 is always remaining here. 2 5s are. Okay, will you get how many? LCM is equal to all these numbers with all these. Okay, 1 is not counted multiple, so 2 and 5 is there. 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 time. Then 5 one time and 7 one time. Okay, answer is 2 into 2, 4 4 into 2, 8 8 into 2, 2 16 16. 5s are 80. 80 into 7, 7 8s are 56. Answer is 560. LCM of 16, 28 and 40 is 560. Okay, will you get? Now go to the next example. We have written the LCM. What is the SCF? SCF is here 2 2 4. how many common factors are there in all of three numbers? I think 2 times 2. 7 is not common because 7 is divided only the 28 numbers 7 in row. Okay, so 2 HCF is equal to 2 into 2, these 2. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4 because these two and both 2's are equal factors in all three numbers. Okay, these all three numbers come in all three factors of three number. Okay, now go on the next question. Eighty 30. Simple question is there. 80 30. Now 80 30, 80 and 30. Okay, find out the SCF and LCM also. First we will going to find out the SCF. Both number are even number, so 2 9s are 2 15. Okay, then 3 3s are 3 5s are. So these both are can't be divided more. So SCF is 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, sorry, put here SCF 2 into 3 is 6. 6 is the SCF. Now find out the LCM. Now try this with the 3 ones are 3. Okay, then 5 ones are 5. Here we get the last remainder is 1 1. So LCM is equal to 2 is how many times to come? How many prime numbers come in this multiples? 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5. 2 is come in 1 time, 3 come 2 time, so 3 into 3. 5 come 1 time, so 5. So answer is 2 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 5 is equal to 90. 90 is the LCM of this number. So LCF, SCF and LCM of 80 and 30 is 6 and 90 respectively. Okay, now go to the next. Now we are going to solve one more question and then going to solve the practice set. Okay, let's do 15 45 105. 15 45 105. 15 45 105. Find out the LCM. Okay, LCM. So 15 40 48, sorry, and 45 and 105. Okay, first all three can be divided by 3. 3 5s are 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 3 3s are and 3 5s are. Okay, now this can be divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 7s are. Okay, LCM is all these and these numbers. Okay, is equal to 3 into 5 into 3 into 7. Okay, these 3 and 7. 3 into 5 15 into 21 is equal to 3 5 315. Okay, now we are going to solve the practice set. You need to solve one more example, then we are going to find solve the practice set number 13. The example is the product of two-digit number is the product of two-digit number, two-digit two numbers is two numbers is 1280, 1280, okay. And GCD means SCF is 4. So find out the find LCM. Okay, formula is LCM into SCF is equal to product of given number, product of given numbers. Okay, we have we have SCF. LCM is equal into SCF. SCF is 4 into product is 1280. Okay, we are putting the values in formula. Formula is here. Okay, then LCM is equal to 1280 upon 4 equal to 4 3s are 12. Okay, then 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 4 2s are 6, and then 4 2s are 4 2s are 8. Sorry, 4 2s are 8, and answer is 320. 320. Okay, now we are going to solve the practice set. In practice set, there have two main questions. Question number 1 have 10 questions, and question number 2 have 5 questions. So now start with the question number 1. Question number 1 is find the LCM. Find LCM. Okay, question 1 is 12 and 15. 12 and 15, just 12, 15, 3 sorry, 3 4s are 3 5s are. Okay, so LCM is 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, then 3 into 12, 12 into 16. LCM is 60, sorry, 60. Okay, second number question, 6 8 10. 6 8 10. Okay, 6 8 10. Vertical method, we are going to solve with the vertical method. And 6 8 10, all three are even number, so 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 5s are. Okay, now can't be divided by any other number, so LCM is equal to 2 into 3, these numbers and all base numbers, 3 into 4 into 5. Answer is 2 into 4 6 6 into 4 24, 24 into 5 120. 120 is the answer. LCM. Okay, 120. Then 3 number question, 80 and 32. 18 and 32. 18 and 32. Both are even number. 32. 2 9s are, and 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are. Now these two numbers can't be divided by any other number, so LCM is 2 into 9 into 16. 81 into 16. The answer is 16 was the 16. 2 into 2 9s are 2 9s are 2, 2 6s are. 9 to the 80, 18, 18, 18. Okay, 18 into 16, 288. Okay, 288 is the answer. Sorry, 288. 2 9s are 18, and 18 into 16 is 288. LCM is 288. LCM is 288. Okay, you got it. Then fourth number, what you got it? Fourth number is 10, 15 and 10, 15 and 20. Okay, 10, 15 and 20. 10, 15 and 20. Let's do the example 10, 15 and 20. Okay, all numbers can be divided by 5. 5 twos are 5 threes are and 5 fours are. Now these three numbers can't be divided by any other number. So LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 3 into 4. The answer is 5. 5 into 2, 10 into 12 is 120. 120 is the answer. LCM 120 LCM. Okay. Now example number 5. 45 sorry, here we have a mistake. These two numbers can be divided. These two numbers, 2 twos are 3 is remain 3, but these two number 2 twos are 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 is remain there, and 2 twos are. So LCM is now equal to 2 2 times and 5 1 time, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 10, 16. 60 is the answer. 60 is the answer. Okay. Means when you factorize in LCM, factorize the given number till the you get any two numbers have can be divided, then divide. Here 2 and 4 can be divided by 2, so we divided with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 2 twos are 4, and 3 cannot be divided, so 3 is remain there 3. Okay, so LCM is 2, how many times 2? 2 times, 3 1 time, and 5 1 times. Okay, now get the next question. Question number 5, 45 and 86. 45 and 86. Question number 5, 45 and 86. These are no prime factors. Okay, now no prime factors, so SCF is 1 and LCM is equal to 45 into 86, means product of that number is the LCM. Okay, LCM is the product of that number. So LCM is 86, 85. 5 6 are 33, 5 8 are 40, 43, 0, 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 3 4. Okay, 7 8 3. So answer is 3870 is the LCM of number 45 and 86. Okay, 3870 LCM 3870. Now 6 number question. 6 number 15 13 15 30 and 90. Okay, 50 30 90, 50 30 30 90. Okay, can be divided by 3 3 5s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Now divided by 5 is a prime number, so 5 cannot be divided, but 10 also can be divided. So 10 2s are 5 and 15, 5 is remain same, then 5 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are. So and 3 1s are 3. Now remainder are 1, all 3 3 3, and LCM is 3 2 times, 3 into 3, 2 1 time, and 5 1 time. Okay, LCM is 9 into 10 is equal to 90. LCM is 90. Okay, LCM is 90. Okay, then go to the next questions. Now question number 7, 105 and 195. 105, 195. Two numbers are there. 105, 195. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 fives are 15. Okay, can be divided by 5, 5 sevens are, 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Now cannot be divided, so 7 ones are 7 and 13 ones are 13. So LCM is 3 one time, 5 one time, 7 one time and 13 one time. So answer is 15, 3 fives are 15 and 13 sevens are 91. So LCM is 51s are 15, 15 ones are 15 and 15 nines are 136. 35 and 1 is the carry on 13, 1365. 1365. Okay, LCM we have. Now question number 8. Question number 8. 12, 15 and 45. 12, 15 and 45. 12, 15 and 45. Okay, 3 fours are, 3 fives are, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. Okay, now with the 2 twos are, then 5 and 15 remain same. Then 2 also, 2 ones are, 5 and 15 remain same. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are, then 3 ones are, all 1. Okay, the LCM is then 3 2 time, 2 time, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and 5 1 time. So 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 threes are 36, 36 into 5 is 180. LCM is 180. Okay, LCM is 180. Now question number 9. 63 and 81. 63 and 81. 63 and 81. Okay, 63 and 81. 3 twos are, 3 ones are. Okay, 3 twos are, 3 sevens are. Now 3 sevens are, 3 nines are. Now 7 ones are 7. Then 3 threes are and 3 ones are. Okay, the answer is LCM is 3. How many times 3? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, then 1 times 7. Will you get that? 1 times 7. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 3, 1, 81. Okay, into 7. 7 on the 7, 56. Okay, LCM is 567. LCM is 557. Last number question is there. Question number 10. We are now to solve. Going to solve question from question number 1. Then we will going to question number 2. Question number 10 from the main question number 1. 18, 60, 36 and 27. Okay, 18, 36, 27. 3 6 okay, 3 1 3 2 3 9 okay, again 3 3 2 3 4 3 3 okay, then 3 3 1 2 and 4 remains, then 2 2 1 2 2 1 remains, then 2 2 1 1 1 okay, 2 1 the LCM is 3 time 3 into 3 into 3 and 2 2 time okay, 27 into 4 27 into 4 4 7 28 4 2 8 and 2 10 1 LCM is 108 108. Now we are going to solve the question number second. There have 5 sub questions. Question number 2, find the SCF and LCM and verify their product. Question number 2, find SCF and LCM, okay, and verify their product. Okay, product is the equal of the product of given number. Okay, verify. Question number 1, 32 37 32 37 37 is the prime number, so both values can't be divided by the same number, so anymore, so SCF is no prime factors okay, so SCF is, when there is no prime factor, SCF is always 1 okay, and LCM is always product of that number, 32 into 37 okay, 32 into 37 is 1184 okay, count now. Then question number 2, 1184 46 and 51 46 and 51, these also can't be divided by, so no prime number so how could I define this? There is no factors for prime factors for these numbers. There are test of numbers, test of 2, test of 3, test of 4. So read that test and recite that test and learn how to find the numbers can be divided by that number. It's more simple by the test of numbers. Okay, so we could able to find out is that any numbers factors. Okay, is there any divisor for that number? Okay, divisor means factors. Okay, 46 51 have no prime number, so SCF is 1 okay, and LCM is product of that number, 46 into 51. I already have done the, so 46 51 is 12,003 no, 2346 okay, 2346 is the answer. LCM, multiply. Okay, will you get that? Now question number 3, 18 and 63 both have, can be divided with 3 3 6 3 2 and 3 1 okay, also divided by 3 3 2 3 7 okay. Now 2 is 2 1 2, 7 7 1 7, so LCM before that here are 3, these 3 are common factors of both numbers, so SCF is 3 into 3, not 2 and 7, because 2 have only divide 2 to the 2 and 7 is only divided to the 7. Okay, so SCF is 3 into 3 9, 3 into 3 9, and LCM is 3 into 3 into 2 into 7. 3 into 3 9 into 14. Answer is 1 to 6. 1 to 6 LCM. Okay, 126 is the LCM. SCS is 9. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, there have remain question number 3. We have solved the question number 4, which is 1863. Question number 3 is here 1560. 1560. Let's go to solve it with 3 5s are 3 2s are. Now 3 is the only prime factor. Again SCF is 3. No, sorry, 5. 5 ones are 5 4s are. So SCF is 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 15 is the SCF. Now 1 is there, so 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 1s are 2. So LCM is 2 times, 2 into 2 into 3 1 times and 5 1 times. So LCM is 2 2s are 4 and 4 is a 12, 12 5 is a 60. 60 is the LCM. Okay. Now go to the last number question, question number 5. We are pending there. 78 and 104. Now get the answer. 78, 104. Okay, both are even numbers, so divided by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, 2 5 is and 2 2 is. Okay. 13 can be divided with 13. 13 3 is 39 and 13 4 is 52. Now both number can be divided by the same number, so SCF is 13 into 2 is 26 is the SCF. Okay, LCM is now find out. LCM is 13, then 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 4 into 13. Okay, 5 4 is 20, 20 into 30 is 2 2s are, sorry, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 6 4s are 24 into 30, 24 into 30, 30, 24 into 30, answer is 312. LCM is 312. Now this is the last question of this practice set. Now if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you like this video, please like and share in your friends, groups and relatives, so they also can get benefit from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Let's go for another video in next session. We are going to solve the question, last practice set of this chapter number 3, SCF and LCM. So thank you for watching.